Hi, I'm Dr. Rumana Naeem. I'm very much new as a doctor in UK, and I started my career journey here in UK like almost a year. And when I heard about that Bromley medical course, and I was very happy because they are running a very important course here. There are some emergency course as well. Today I choose emergency radiology because I think this course is really helpful for us because they are teaching us like everything about emergency radiology. If you are working in emergency department in your hospital, I think this is really helpful and beneficial. And I choose this course just because of some of my friends they recommend, and I check as well in a Google, and it has really good review. And also when I came here, I'm really very much pleased because they cover all the topics of what radiology, whatever you want to learn in radiology. Like they cover like almost head to toe, everything, including CT scan and some bit of MRI as well. So if you want to work in like emergency department or in general medicine or in surgery, I think this course is very much beneficial, or it also help you to update your CV, your experience, and the practical skills. So I will highly recommend you can choose this course and update your knowledge as well. Thank you very much.